Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're spotlighting the best Aqua Dish Towels you can buy, the Lane Linen Cotton Kitchen Towels and Dishcloth Set. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials with a splash of style and some serious functionality, this is the set you need to know about. Right out of the package, these towels feel premium. They're made of 100% natural cotton, and that really sets the tone for what makes them different from cheaper alternatives. The texture is soft, but not flimsy. They're woven to be firm, durable, and resilient, perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. Now let's talk about absorbency. Whether you're drying dishes, soaking up spills, or wiping down your countertop after meal prep, these towels really do the job. The high-quality cotton drinks up water fast. We tested them on everything from glassware to cast iron skillets, and they performed consistently well. You'll definitely notice how quickly they dry out between uses, which is especially helpful in busy kitchens. This 6-pack value set gives you towels that each measure 18 by 28 inches. A generous size that's easy to work with. They're not too bulky, but they're substantial enough to handle big jobs. Plus, since it's a set of 6, you won't be scrambling for a clean one midweek. It's a smart, sustainable swap if you're tired of running through paper towels. Design-wise, they stand out in the best way. The aqua color is clean and vibrant, and the striped detailing gives them a polished look that can match modern or rustic kitchen aesthetics. You could honestly hang these on display and get compliments before even using them. They also work well as hand towels or even casual napkins. There's some surprising versatility here. The Lane Linen Cotton Kitchen Towels are affordable, attractive, and actually useful. They check all the boxes: absorbent, durable, quick drying, machine washable, and they look great doing it. Whether you're outfitting a new kitchen, replacing worn-out towels, or just want a pop of color, this set delivers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another product breakdown. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.